Hey guys, Noah Luke here with MarineMax in St. Pete, and today we are coming to you live off of a 25-foot Sea Ray sun deck, powered by, you guessed it, Mercury Marine 300 horsepower Verado in the back here. And so what's really special about the 25-foot Sea Ray is it's a little bit unlike any other Sea Ray, in the sense of that this back seat, because we know it is maybe a little bit tight back here, when you're out in the sandbar, hanging out off the back of the boat, you can drop this forward. All of this becomes seating toward the back. It's basically a brand new boat. And if you really wanted to make extra space, simply pull this little hatch here. That slides all the way back. There is more storage in the bottom of the boat here. So you can have a lounger seat here in the back, relaxing at the sandbar, as well as two people hanging out here. You can enjoy some beverages, listen to some music. There are two USB spots down at the bottom there to do maybe some phone charging, maybe some speaker charging as well if you wanted a portable speaker. So that's just something really cool about the 25-foot Sea Ray that no other Sea Ray model has, is this sliding back seat. So we really like it. We really think it's unique to the boat itself. We'll put it back here so the boat opens up. So now you have all this entertaining space, right? And so leveling up through the Sea Rays from the 23, the 25, the 27, the 29 is they really like to have these same characteristics through each boat. So as you're leveling up, moving up, getting older with the brand, you're going to be very comfy with the Sea Ray lineup. So starting in the cockpit here, we're just going to go through every feature that this boat has. Pretty cool. You don't have to go under any seats or whatnot for your battery switch right there. Simply get on the boat, pop the battery switch on, throw the key in the starter, you're gone. Super easy, super simple. So this seat moves forward as well as this seat right here. This becomes all entertaining space once you're docked or at a restaurant or at the sandbar, whatnot. I mean, you could have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, possibly 7 people in the cockpit on a 25-foot boat. That's pretty impressive. So this seat does open up right here. This is going to have your stems for your bow table and whatnot. In toward the back of the boat right here. Once this comes forward and you slide, this whole seat pops up. Your batteries are back here and the storage extends throughout the whole boat, which you could actually access it through the hatchway back there. Your air compressor for your water toys is also located in here as well. We'll come back, we'll slide this forward once again, opening up the cockpit. You do have a battery charger on board. You simply throw in an extension cord, super easy, nothing special. It's not a 30 amp or a 50 amp, just a regular 12-volt extension cord. Under this seat right here, you do have a free seat with an igloo cooler for all your drinks, your beverages. Simply throw that back. We're going to slide the captain seat back to its original position. Coming into the helm here, you'll notice it's a pretty easy standard layout feature for the helm. You do have a couple of light options. You do have a couple of accessory options, as well as your water pumps and whatnot. You do have 2 USBs right here. Your Fusion stereo, that's super easy. It does have Bluetooth. It does have FM, AM radio. And you have your 9-inch Simrad Go 9 screen here. That's going to come with all your navigation. It does have satellite on that as well. It does have a bottom finder so you can tell your depth. On the new Mercury digital systems right here, you do have your active trim. So many people go, hey, what is active trim? So when you're cruising on your boat, hanging out, whether you're going 5 miles an hour or up to 30 miles an hour, when you have this setting on, it's going to allow the motor to automatically trim itself in the best direction, so you have the best MPG and the best top end speed. So when you're cruising around, I do like to have the lower platform here. I'm under the shade, I'm relaxed, talking to everybody in the cockpit. When it is time to get up on plane and run, I do like to stand up right here real quick, pop this seat up, which is a very big feature for a lot of people who like to see over the glass at high speeds. Then you have a lot more view of your navigation area, and it's a better overall handling for the boat. For the 25-footer, this is the only Sea Ray that has the side walkthrough, right? So many people go, hey, why does this Sea Ray have a side walkthrough? Well, when you step up from the 23, which does have a head option in it, and you step up to the 25, they really wanted to feature a bigger head compartment here. So you can see that there is a lot of space, not only to use the bathroom, but to also store your bags, your beach towels, maybe some food, some snacks. So there really is a lot of space there that other boats in this class does not offer. Stepping forward through the cockpit and into the bow of the boat, you'll notice that we do have the Infinity woven vinyl that is snap down. So if you're going to go cruising one night, or you're going to have some kids, you know the boat's going to get super dirty. Maybe you're having a wine cruise at night, whatever the case is, you can pop those floors off before you even go out. Super easy, super simple. Coming into the bow of the boat, you have all of these seats that have little storage compartments and whatnot. You do have access to an igloo cooler as well. And you do have the anchor locker with beach boarding ladder up front. So if you didn't want to back into the sandbar, you could nose up, throw the anchor, and you have a ladder to get down as well. When it's time to come back from the sandbar, maybe you're a little salty, maybe you have some sand, maybe you have a dog that you want to wash off. We do have a freshwater shower right here at the bow of the boat. There is one in the back as well. So you have your cup holders, you have your speakers, you have another USB outlet to charge anything that you want. So if you're looking for a very functional boat, an entry-level boat, maybe you have a smaller lift, but you want a cruising boat, Sea Ray is one of the top-end brands that MarineMax sells, a top-end brand in the cruising class. Come on down, MarineMax St. Pete. You know where we're at, 6810 Gulfport Boulevard South. We will see you here. I'm Noah. Thanks for tuning in.